everyone. So I'm going to teach you on how to log into your Nursing and Midwifery Council portal account. You put your username and password. Mine has already been saved on my phone, so it will open your portal. Then if you want to, you can use this your portal for licensing purposes. If you want to renew your license, or you want to change your name, or maybe you misplace your license, you want to apply for a new one, then just click on reissue license. If you want to also do license verification, you can still do that. But for the course of this lecture, I will just teach you on the part of change of name. Then once you log into your portal, this page is showing. You just click on change your name. Then this page is going to pop up. Then the fee for the change of name is 10,937 naira. That is the charges for the change of name. Then there are several options for you to choose the reasons why you want to change your name. If it's because of first time marriage, you click on it. If it's divorce or reserval of your middle name, you click on it. If because of you divorce your previous husband and now you are now married to a new husband, then you are now in new marriage, then just click on divorce and new marriage. Then if it's because of death, then you click on death. If it's because of your husband or your wife died, then and you are now in a new marriage, you click on it. Then you enter your new surname you want. Then you type in your new surname. Then let's assume that it's because of your first time marriage. You click on first time marriage. Then you now scroll down. Then you enter your new surname. Then you upload your marriage certificate. Then your affidavit of marriage. Then a newspaper publication in any of the national or newspaper. Then affidavit of change of name, that is court affidavit. You upload those documents here. Then you come down. You can either pay through online using your ATM card or through transfer, or you can just click on bank deposit. Then you copy out the remitter number. You copy out the remitter number. You go to the bank and make your payment. So if you are paying through online, just click on online payment. Then you now click submit application. Submit application. So it's going to take you to the part where you are going to make your payment. Thank you. So the next video, I will be teaching you on how to renew your license. Step you take on how to renew your license. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video for more updates.